What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to increase your microphone volume in OBS Studio. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Open up OBS Studio. In your audio mixer, make sure to increase this slider for your mic/auxiliary device. I suggest setting this to -2 dB to prevent your input audio from clipping. Next, open up your settings window. Here, under Audio, make sure to set the sample rate to 48 kHz and the channels option to stereo. Below, set your mic/auxiliary device to your default device. When all of this is done and your mic volume is still too quiet, then your problem might be related to an outdated audio driver or to other programs running in the background. First, to update your audio driver, search for Device Manager in your Start menu search to open it up. Here, expand your audio inputs and outputs. Right-click the audio input device you are using and select Update Driver. Finally, click on Search automatically for drivers. This will take a second to make sure that your audio driver is up to date. You should also complete this step for your microphone and other used audio devices. When this is done, you can close your Device Manager and open up your native Windows settings. Under System, select Sound. Here, make sure to set the correct audio input and output device. Your volume should also not be muted. And below, you have the option to troubleshoot common sound problems for your audio input device. This will take a minute to check if there are any common issues with your selected default audio device. Next, click on More Sound Settings. This will open up your sound control panel. Under Recording, make sure that your default device is enabled and disable all other devices for now by right-clicking each and selecting Disable. Next, right-click your enabled device and select Properties. Under Levels, make sure that the device is not muted. In the Advanced tab, you should also check both of these exclusive mode options. You can then close your sound control panel and your Windows settings. Lastly, you should prevent programs from running on your PC which could change your audio devices while using OBS Studio. To do so, search for Task Manager in your Start menu search to open it up. Here, in the Processes tab, right-click the programs which could change your audio device's properties and select End Task. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.